Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to select a roles channel on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, click settings, and now here you will find community settings. Click on it. Here as you see you will find roles channel, click on it. Now here you can choose, you can select a roles channel like this, and that's it. That's how to select a roles channel on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.